Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, Mrs. Hensley's friends, whatever time of the day that you are watching this. Happy Friday! It's Friday, and hopefully we're going to school next week. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hopefully nothing changes over the weekend or anything. Okay, so it is Friday. I'm so excited that it's Friday, okay? We have a calendar to do today, okay? So let's get started. We're singing our months of the year. Are you ready on this wonderful Friday? Friday. Okay, I'm done. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Yay! 12 months in a year. And this is October, isn't it, friends? October. And yesterday was October the 22nd. So what would today be? Let's start with 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. Is 23 going to be a bat or a pumpkin? What do you think? A bat or a pumpkin? Or is it going to be orange or black? It is a black bat. 23, friends. 23. Okay, who remembers what today is? If you do not know what today is, you've not been listening to Mrs. Hensley, because it starts with an F and an R for Friday. Friday. Today is Friday. So what comes after Friday? Mrs. Hensley, sleep in day. You didn't know that because I haven't been sharing that, but I love sleeping in if I can. I haven't been able to do it very much, but I love doing it. Okay, so let's find out what comes after Friday. Here we go. Let's sing our song. First, let's sing it and then we'll figure it out. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, today's Friday. Let's find out what tomorrow is. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. So, and what was yesterday? The day before Friday. Okay, the day before Friday. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday. Is that naughty TH? Naughty TH, Thursday. Okay, so yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. And tomorrow will be Saturday. Mrs. Hensley sleep in day. Okay, let's move this closer. And let's do how many days we've been in school. We need to add a straw and we need to add a tally, don't we? So here's the straw. Here's the tally. So let's count our straws and see how many we have. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Let's see if we have 39 tally marks. We've been in school 39 days. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 39. We write a 39. 3 and a 9, a 3 and a 9. Okay, we are going right over here, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Okay, here is our Statue of Liberty, which is a symbol of the United States, our country, and a symbol of freedom. It is also located in New York at the New York Harbor. Okay, and the United States flag, or the American flag, is a symbol of the United States, our country. Has 50 stars for the 50 states and 13 stripes for the 13 colonies. Okay, we know that October is the 10th month. So today is 10-23-20. We're going to abbreviate October. Mrs. Hensley made a mistake, so I need to erase. Okay, abbreviating October. October, finger spaces, 23, 2020. Now I'm going to write out October. October, finger space, 23, 2020. Okay, today is October 23rd, 2020. Now, we are going to count to 100. Okay, Mrs. Hensley is not sure what she did with her pointer. So, Mrs. Hensley will just point. And guess what, Mrs. Hensley? There's a glare, and I even have one of the lights turned out. Let's see here. May have to have them both turned off. Here we go. Okay, here we go. It's kind of hard for you guys to see it. Maybe straight on. Again, straight on. Okay, here we go. Let's get a little bit closer. Okay, here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yay! We got to 100. Okay, now we're going to count by tens. Okay, so watch Mrs. Hensley. Here we go. See if you can see it really well. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I want you to do it with me, okay? I'll stand over here and we can do it from over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That was counting by tens, friends. So we will be counting by tens quite often, okay? Because you have to know that by the end of the year. Okay, let's see what we're doing today. you have your Yay, It's Friday song to sing. So, yay, it's Friday, 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 Friday. Okay. We will be doing letter sound cards. We're not going to worry about letter naming fluency and letter word sound fluency today. You get a break on this wonderful Friday of no letter naming, no letter sound fluency, okay? We will be reviewing our vocabulary and talking about how that vocabulary fit with the story, There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves. I hope you guys enjoyed that story. I like that story. It's cute. We will be reading Fletcher and the Falling Leaves, and you will be counting some falling leaves and pretending like they're falling off of the tree, so that will be fun. And we will be doing our social studies weekly over responsibility, okay? So that is pretty much it. I hope you guys have a fabulous Friday. This is what I want you to tell me in the daily message. I want you to tell me, and I put it in the assignment, I want you to tell me if after listening to There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves, if any of our vocabulary words fit into that story, okay? So fetch, when you go get something and bring it back. Discovering is when you see something new or discover something new. Tools are things that you use to help you work or do your job. Rumble is that low, long sound. And defeated. So if you win at something, that means you are defeated, okay? You were defeated. So, or you felt defeated, okay? So, I want you to tell me if any of those related to the story, okay? And you might have a hard time with it. And if you do, then just say, I'm sorry, Mrs. Hensley, I don't understand what you're asking for, because Mrs. Hensley will be doing that here in a little while, reviewing our vocabulary, okay? I hope you guys have a fantastic Friday. I hope we get to see each other next week. And I hope you look forward to our activities today. Have a fabulous Friday, an awesome weekend, and I will talk to you soon, friends. I love you. I miss you. Have a great day. Bye.